We're back.
We're back. Thank you for that break. That was actually
a quick one.
No, thank you for that break.
Nice.
You know what I mean? Because I got to take this one off that ear. Got to take that ear cup off and let that air out a little bit. I got one hot ear right now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it happens.
Well, speaking of Elon, and his core business. I don't know. Many people seem to forgot at this point those electric cars. Remember those things? And some people had the suggestion in the chat of, he should buy F1. That would make sense.
Formula E.
But then I was like, never mind Formula 1, you go Formula E, and all of a sudden you get the Tesla vehicles. You know, he knows how to make fast ones.
Uh-huh.
Or maybe you do go Formula 1 and you just advertise the crap out of your electric vehicles on the gas circuit. Mm-hmm. I don't know. But anyway, Baidu, who I don't think has any history in electric vehicles themselves, this, of course, is the famous Chinese search engine, is apparently launching its first EV with ChatGPT built in.
Oh.
ChatGPT style of thing built in. It won't be actual ChatGPT. Are you crazy? Baidu's going to launch its first electric vehicle model using its new conversational artificial intelligence technology with the intention of providing a ChatGPT-like experience that enables natural conversation between owners and their vehicles. You know, a lot of this stuff is in theory extremely exciting. But it's also easy to just like write a press release and say, yeah, you're going to have a conversation with your car.
Yeah.
Of course you are.
Uh-huh.
And then it's like, well, is it really going to work that way? Like, am I going to feel confident in that? But it doesn't matter because you just need to say you're doing it. Mm-hmm. Yes, we are doing it.
The concept.
Reaffirm the company's plan to deliver its first production model, the Robo 01 sports utility vehicle in the third quarter of 2023 with a very competitive price. Launched in October, the crossover can travel 600 kilometers. That's no joke. On a single charge. Pricing details have not been revealed for a special edition version of the vehicle, only for the special edition version of the vehicle, which is $55,000 USD. Optimistic about the company's sales growth in light of Tesla's significant price cuts, adding that the sudden move reflected the U.S. automakers' waning competitiveness in the Chinese market. I don't know. The numbers I saw were that the profit margins pretty much exclusively belonged to Tesla in China and that the others were having trouble turning a profit.
Model Y.
But anyway.
Very popular.
This one has those doors on it, Will?
This is not bad, eh?
This one has those doors on it, Will? Don't fool with me. Don't goof around.
This is a nice SUV.
No fooling, Will? No fooling?
I like it. And the car can talk to you?
Don't you fool on me, Will.
No fooling.
Remember in the previous episode where you were getting rinsed?
Yeah, now I'm being fooled. Fooled? Fold.
Galaxy folded?
Yeah, flip fold.
Now you're being Galaxy folded. Yeah. It's got a big display in the front. Look at these bucket seats. But I mostly care about these doors because it's a combo of the gull wing and suicide.
Yeah.
Going at the same time. Like what the... Or what are those called? What's the real name for those? Coach doors or something? Why can't I remember the name of that? It's a door that's opening the opposite way to create the biggest opening.
Yeah.
I like that. It creates a huge opening. Now, I don't know with the gull wing because you're tight spaces and you're in China and I just don't know. Hopefully the tolerance there.
And it's affordable.
Looks like it pops out a little bit. And it's affordable, but they got to deliver it, and then you got to talk to their version of ChatGPT to get anywhere. Like, it won't start unless you're like, hey, how's it going?
I have to speak Mandarin?
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
Good luck to you, Will.
That's going to be hard.